I'm going to show how to make this side navigation bar slides out from the right instead of just popping out immediately when clicked on the hamburger menu button. I previously used a little bit of JavaScript to make the sidebar comes out, but this time I'm going to make it work better with just CSS. I have the desktop view in place, so I'm going to start by creating the mobile view. What I want for my mobile view is for the nav links on the right to disappear and to be replaced by a hamburger menu. For this, I will add an anchor tag right underneath the divs that include the nav links and add href and ID in it. I will then add an image tag inside it. Go to style.css and let's make the hamburger menu disappear when in desktop view and the nav links disappear when in mobile view. To do this, add the ID of hamburger icon to display none. Then inside media screen, add the display block and a padding. I will create a div right underneath the hamburger menu and give it a class name and an ID. We'll later use the ID to link it with the hamburger menu button. Inside the div, I will have another div with a logo and a close icon. Underneath this div, I will have another div with all the nav links. I'll copy the one from the desktop view for this. I'll make these display none while in desktop view and display block while in mobile view. We are now ready to work on the slide out animation. To do this, we'll use the CSS pseudo class target. I will have more information about this in the description below. This pseudo class is used to target the current active element. First, I'll link the mobile nav with the hamburger menu. The element being linked to is the target element, so the whole sidebar is now a target element. Now we're ready to style it, and we'll use the class name of the sidebar to style it. To add transition, you need to specify two things: the property you want to add effect to, for example width or height, and the duration of the effect. I'm going to change the width, then specify the duration, and to get a smooth transition, I'll add ease in out. Next, use the same class name followed by target and then width of 100%. I want the initial width to be 0, and when I click on the hamburger menu, the target element, the width will change from 0 to 100% in a given duration. To close the sidebar, we just need to remove the link we created between the ID and the hamburger menu. To do this, we can just have a hash like this inside the close button. Now the slide bar slides out and goes back in as we wanted.